Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to adjust the video brightness on your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to adjust the basic video brightness on your Xiaomi Google TV, just going to show in this video. Just click on the move the side. You can just go to the setting option. Now here just click on the picture option. After clicking on the picture option, you have this option on the third. It's called basic video. Click on this, and here the first option called brightness. Click on this, and now you can just adjust you have the brightness adjustment slide on the bottom section, and here you can just adjust the brightness. You can see it's adjusting to 60%, and then you can just click on the after adjusting the brightness video brightness, click on the center button on your remote, which is the OK button. So this is the way that you can just adjust the brightness on your Xiaomi Google TV on your TV. I think this video had do not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super Xiaomi content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.